Hello, this is Bitcoin Brandon from Los Angeles, California. Did you know that since we were born into a system that is teaching us to fail? That most people are going to fail no matter what they do? And it's not our fault. It's not that we're not hard workers. It's that we weren't taught the right things. We're taught that if you want to have financial freedom in America, there's a couple of things that you must do, and that's go to school, get good grades, get a good, safe, secure job, a job that will take care of you for the rest of your life. I followed that path. I graduated from Morehouse College in 1998, went on to have a nice corporate career going, but due to no fault of my own, I was laid off not once, but twice. Laid off twice. And if you've ever been laid off before, you know exactly how that feels. And if you haven't, I guarantee you know somebody who has. And chances are you're putting in more time, more hours, more effort, and you better not even ask for a raise because you're lucky to have a job in the first place. But let's talk about those lucky few. Those lucky few, if you're lucky enough not to get fired or laid off, to have the same job for the rest of your life. The federal government states that you're going to retire broke, depending on family, government, and friends by the age of 65. No more 401k, no more savings, no more house. Your house is a liability and not an asset. No more savings or pension or anything. Social Security is a joke. And the reason is because we are trading time for money. Time for money. That means you trade 40 to 60 hours a week on a job just to live paycheck to paycheck. The average person doesn't even have $1,000 in their savings account. The average person cannot afford a $400 emergency if it were to happen to them today, following that path, because we were not trained to do the right things. If you want more money, you got to work more hours or get a second job. But why is it that while we're doing this, we're the hardest workers, but the people that's making the most money are working less? What are they doing different? See, they've understood one thing. Not trading time for money, but they learned how to let money work for them. How's that? See, because money never gets sick, money doesn't quit on you, money doesn't take a vacation, money doesn't call out. It does what it's programmed to do, whatever you tell it to do. See, the wealthy live off the interest of their principal, and they pass down the principal, and the principal can be in the form of assets, it can be in the form of stocks and bonds, real estate, property, art and treasure, that they never spend, they never touch. But they pass that down from generation to generation because they live off the interest, and they figured out how to compound their interest. How would you like to let money work for you? Get back to whoever is showing you this video, click on the link, and we'll get you more information to teach you how to let your money work for you instead of you working for money. Until next time, Bitcoin Brandon. Bye-bye.